Hello students, today we going to start our reference book standard 3rd subject maths chapter 2 division exercise number 2.7. Solve the following word problem. Today we solve word problem. First, 120 students are going for a school camp. If one tent can accommodate 4 children, how many tents will be required? How many children will be left? A school trip going, how many students? 125 students school trip पर गए. If one tent can 4 children, एक टेंट के अंदर 4 चिल्ड्रन, हाउ मेनी टेंट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? कितने टेंट की आवश्यकता होगी? हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन विल बी लेफ्ट? कितने चिल्ड्रन बाकी रह जाएंगे? सो वी सॉल्व दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स टोटल? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 125 and 4 children in one camp. So we write in here statement. Number of student. What we write? Number of student going for a camp. Going for a school trip. Number of students going for a school camp 125. Now, number of students, how many students in one camp? So we write number of children which can be number of which can be accommodate. How many children accommodate in one tent? In one tent. So 4 children. Now next, how many tent will be required? So number of tent required. Number of tent be required. So 125 divided by 4. Number of students going for a school camp 125. Number of children which can be accommodate in one tent 4 children. Number of tent be required. So we divided 125 by 4. So we do here sum. We divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Now 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down 5. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So in last, ask how many children will be left. So 1 children will be left. And number of tent be required. How many tent will be required? 31. So here we write 31 tents and 1 child is left. Now second, Mrs. Verma bought a box of chocolates containing 207 bars. मिसेस वर्मा ने चॉकलेट बॉक्स खरीदे जिसमें 207 बार्स हैं. शी पैक्ड 7 चॉकलेट्स इन स्मॉल पैकेट. उन्होंने 7 चॉकलेट जो है एक स्मॉल पैकेट में पैक किए. एंड गिवन टू चिल्ड्रन, बच्चों को देने के लिए. हु कम फॉर हर डॉटर्स बर्थडे पार्टी. जो चिल्ड्रन उनके डॉटर की बर्थडे पार्टी में आए उनके लिए पैक किए. सो हाउ मेनी पैकेट्स डज शी मेक. उन्होंने कितने पैकेट बनाए होंगे. एंड हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर. कितनी चॉकलेट बाकी रही होगी. सो हियर वी राइट नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट इन 1 बॉक्स. Number of in 1 box. How many chocolates? 207. Number of chocolates in 1 box. 207. Number of chocolate in 1 packet. Number of in 1 packet. How many? 7. So number of chocolates in 1 packet. Number of packets made. How many packets made? So we find out number of chocolates, number of packets. Sorry, number of packets. Number of packets made. 207 divided by 7. So here we will do sum. 207 divided by 7. So now we say table of 7. 7 2s are 14. Now here 0 4 we take 1 borrow. 10 minus 4 6 and left 1 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 7. 7 3s are 7 9s are 63. Now 7 minus 3 4 and 6 minus 6, 0. Left 4 chocolates. So we write here how many packets made? 29 packets and 4 chocolates left over. So number of chocolate in one box 207, number of chocolates in one packet 7, and number of packets made 207 divided by 7. So we will do here sum. Our answer is 29. So 29 packets made and 4 chocolates left over. Now see number. A vegetable grocer packs carrot in bags of 10. How many bags will he need to pack 350 carrots? So total carrots are 350. He packs 10 carrots in one bag. So how many bags he need? We write a statement. Number of carrot. How many? 350. Now second, number of carrots in one bag 10. Number of carrots 350 and number of carrots in one bag 10. Number of bags he need. How many bags he need? So 350 divided by 10. So here we will do sum of division. 350 divided by 10. 10 threes are 30. 505. 3 minus 3, 0. Now bring down 0. 10 5s are 50. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So 35 bags he need. Answer is 35 bags he need. Second, Rahul and Manav save ₹1 coins in a box. The box has 240 coins in it. Manav sorts them into bags of 10. How many bags does he fill? So students, Rahul and Manav save coins in a box. So we write a statement, number of coins in a box. Number of coins in a box. How many coins in a box? 240. Number of coins in a box 240 and number of coins in one bag. Number of coins in one bag. How many coins in one bag? 10. So how many bags does he fill? उसने कितनी बैग फिल की? Number of coins 240 and number of coins in one bag 10. So we write here number of bags filled. (240 divided by 10). So we will do here sum. 240 divided by 10. Now 10 2s are 20. We do minus. 4 0 4. 2 minus 2 0. Bring down 0. 10 4s are 40. 0 0 0. 4 minus 4 0. So 24 bags filled. He filled. How many bags does he fill? Here write he filled 24 bags. So students, you understanding the word problem? Now again we understanding a vegetable grocer packs carrot in bags of 10. वेजिटेबल सेलर ने कैरेट को पैक किया बैग में, तो 10 कैरेट पैक की बैग में. हाउ मेनी बैग्स विल नीड टू पैक 350 कैरेट? 350 कैरेट थी, तो उसने एक बैग में 10 कैरेट्स पैक की, तो हाउ मेनी बैग ही नीड? सो वी डिवाइडेड 350 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 and our answer is 335. So 35 bag he need. Same question. Rahul and Manav save rupees coin in a box. एक बॉक्स में उन्होंने coins सेव किए. So the box has 240 coins. बॉक्स में कितने coins हुए? 240. मानव सॉर्ट्स देम इनटू बैग्स ऑफ 10. मानव ने सॉर्ट करके उसे एक बैग में 10 कोइंस डाले. कितने डाले? नंबर ऑफ कोइंस इन वन बैग 10 कोइंस डाले. सो हाउ मेनी बैग्स ही फिल? नंबर ऑफ बैग्स फिल्ड 240 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. सो आवर आंसर इज 24. ही फिल्ड 24 बैग्स.